Attention architects, developers, and building contractors. Introducing NillBuildingSolutions.com waterproof fasteners, a groundbreaking, globally patented innovation designed to tackle one of the most significant challenges in construction: water damage. In traditional construction, standard fasteners often allow water to seep through, causing a range of serious issues such as structural weakening, mold proliferation, and expensive repair needs. Recognizing this critical vulnerability, our engineers have developed fasteners featuring advanced sealing technology that create a reliable watertight barrier. This innovation not only prevents water ingress, but also delivers a host of benefits for builders and property owners alike. By enhancing structural integrity, our waterproof fasteners reduce the frequency and cost of maintenance while extending the lifespan of construction projects. Moreover, these fasteners align with modern sustainability goals by minimizing resource consumption associated with repairs and replacements. From residential homes to large-scale commercial developments, NillBuildingSolutions.com waterproof fasteners are setting a new standard in construction durability, resilience, and sustainability. Ensure your projects are built to withstand the elements and last for generations. For more details about our innovative solutions, visit NillBuildingSolutions.com today, or simply reply to this email to set up a free consultation with one of our experts to explore how we can support your next project.